Go na. Ano? Pagkain muna, wag dessert agad, baby. Saan?
Tasha, may hat. Tingnan mo. May brown hat. Tingnan mo. Tingnan ko sila. Tingnan ko si Tasha.
Saan?
Nag-carry na pa.
Ayun pa sa taas. Zoom natin. Salubungin mo sila. Dami mo ah.
Ba't ang biguan?
Diba? Ang daming tao. Mas madaming tao pag sa South Mall.
Eh, 25 cents. Ay, wala, nahulog. Ito na lang paikutin natin, please.
Wag! Wala na. Ano si Collie meron pa? Bigyan mo si Tasha.
Okay, one.
Oh, bigyan ka naman ni Tasha. Oh, ayan. Bis!
Daya ko. Binilihan pa si Daddy ng damit.
Kayo wala kayong binili sa akin.
Oo, kasi ikaw taga-bili eh. Anong pinili mo?
Basta yun.
Kasi mami siya nag-work.
Wala kasi akong work. Oo nga.
Okay lang.
Wala daw akong gift kasi wala man akong work. Diba? Ano, bilisan nyo mag-decide. Ano? Wala ba nang matamis-tamis ate? Ano ba yung...
Sa'yo.
Sa'yo, ako uli. Wala na.
Wala na, wala na.
Okay na daw po. Sarap? Sour. Ano? Oh. Ha? Punta tayo dun.
Ako lang.
Oo, sige.
Ang bag ko.
Tingin kami ng school supplies and shoes and bag. Ano pa? Back to school shopping. Ah, yan. Gusto mo dyan? Pamaya? Papatingin mo sila?
Ito kay mami na masarap dito. Try niyo minsan.
Ay, sama ko si Tasha. Tasha, come here. Kasi you will buy your notebook. Oh, sige. Or there are other colors here.
Yellow.
Here, you can pick here. Also, the notebooks.
I want yellow and I do.
This one? But you need to buy 10. Ay, 8. 8. Ito po. Gusto mo puro yellow?
We know.
Do you want... There's orange also if you want.
Mami, pwede to.
Yeah.
Mami, gusto ko na yellow na meron ko.
Ito. This one? But you need to buy 8.
Okay.
Teacher said you need to buy 8 pieces.
One.
That's not a notebook.
Okay, come here. One.
Okay, sige. Eight pieces. You pick 8, okay? The notebook with red and blue. No, you pick one na may wrapper, yung may plastic. Kasi ito walang plastic, oh. There's no plastic here. If you want blue, ito. How many pa? You need 4 more.
No more plastic.
Yeah. Do you have orange na?
Yes. How much? Count them all. Count them all.
Here you want purple? 5 na to, 5. O 3. Okay, 2 more.
I can feed you.
How about this color? You don't have it yet. This one. But oh, it's thick. It's so thick. It's so thick eh. Dapat manipis lang. Come here. I will choose for you here. How about this? Oh, it's the same. How many pa? Oh, this na lang. This one.
You then. How much na?
Oh, here. There's blue here. This.
Yes.
Okay. Tasha. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay na to. You like this na? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay na. Come here. Balik ko nga ba? Scotch tape, notebook, plastic cover. Oh. Do you want something? Here?
Wala.
Wala. Huh? How about there? The other side. Teka lang. Ah, dito. Come here. Ay. Can you lift it? Can you lift it? Kuya, saan yung mga Robbie Rabbit po na bag? Meron. Ah, wala.
Pwede ako sa haba-baba.
Oo. Dito, tingnan mo lang. Ano si Cinnamoroll? Gusto mo yan? This one or the blue one? Ang pretty niya. You don't like that? Uy! Tingnan muna natin kung pan. Wait, it fits right. You like it? Try mo.
Kasama si biology ko, please.
O, yan yung kapartner.
Gusto mo ba yan, girl?
Okay ba?
Ito, subukan mo to.
Medyo loose.
Loose? Manipis kasi yung socks mo eh. I just woke up from a dream. Sabihin mo na siya, Happy Father's Day!
Marunong ba sila kumain yan?
Sabi ko po, wag aanuhin. Wag.
Gusto nyo nang may alang yan eh.